Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Tesla. This four-door truck has engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Tesla is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability, control and traction control,